Hello student. In this video, I will guide you about one important issues that students often face, and the issue is that despite they practice answer writing, despite they write very well, they do not get appropriate marks or good marks uh, on the answers. So, what could be the reason behind it? What are the reason? They are often confused. So, let me tell you one thing that see, answering a questions of psychology, which is behavioral science, is not a very difficult thing. Problem is that when you try to answer the questions in an intuitive manner in the sense that what you feel good or bad, correct, incorrect, suppose you write. So actually, being a behavioral science, you should note that this is not opinion. Getting it require hard facts. Even if it required perspective, you need to mention that perspective. Let me tell you one example. When you say that who are more prejudiced, question this thing. Uh, do you think that some personality type individual are more prone to become prejudiced? You might have noticed that some people are power lover. They have very great respect for authority, and they, have this so concern for that thing. Do you think such individuals develop prejudice more than those who have liberal attitudes and all? Suppose you say yes or no, then how I will come to believe or other people will come to believe? But on the other hand, one students write that yes, there are some research findings like one important person is Adorno. He has he and along with other individuals have conducted very extensive research, and they have written a book, The Authoritarian Personality. Under that, uh, they attempted to make this point that people who have high score on fascism or ethnocentrism, they have this particular trait is that they love for power and authority. They are obedient, but they seek a strict obedience from the people who are below them in hierarchy. So such individuals have been found to be more prejudiced. Okay. So on the basis of this finding, you are supporting your view. So now your point will look more valid. Getting? But there could be some criticism also. For example, Pettigrew is the name of a person who has criticized this view, and he said that it is not just personality type, but the cultural environment or attitude that prevails and that are internalized by the individual, that parents actively teaches and model for their children, that also matters. And Thomas Pettigrew conducted research in South America, North America, South Africa, and he found that those individuals who have similar FS score, but they do not have similar prejudicial attitude towards black, for example. So, what was the reason for that? See this thing. He explained on the basis of that cultural environment, cultural attitude. With the help of this study, you are trying to make a point in a very scientific manner. So, in psychology, you require some studies, some research studies to validate your point. Of course, there are examples that you can cite, research study which are very controlled, then that is more valid for making some point. And sometimes your opinion is also required. So what do you think? But suppose I make some opinion, then this opinion will be based on some data. It will be logical. It will not be that I intuitive things. So psychology being a behavioral science, you will not be allowed to write anything that you like. Actually, the things that is fact or something something is based on perspective. For example, extrovert, introvert, matter of degree. So does it make a sense? Well, yes, some people are like that. This is some facts are so obvious that will not require very controlled evidences like I have cited. But something that when you are talking that is not very clear, for example, who become more prejudiced, who are the individual. So prejudiced, being prejudiced is rooted in personality or environment. Suppose you are debating this issue without having knowledge of data, without having hard evidences, what conclusion you can draw? This is the problem. Many students, they write in a very intuitive manner and they do not get marks in examinations. So I will advise you to, whatever thing you study, you just take interest in the topic, uh, read different aspects of the questions, and try to, in a inquisitive manner, read about something, some related to research. That will help you to write very appropriate answer. Okay, so I hope I made this point clear. And if you write in that way, substantial way, there is no any point that, no any questions that you will not get marks. You will definitely get very good marks. थैंक यू. अगले वीडियो में कभी मिलेंगे और किसी और इशूज़ पे बात करेंगे. थैंक यू. आई एम अरुण कुमार फ्रॉम ब्यूटीफुल माइंड IAS न्यू दिल्ली.